So this is my hair after going back and forth between buns and ponytails all week. It's dry, dirty, tangled, it just needs to be washed. So I wash my hair with the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner. So after I wash all of that out, I use a deep conditioner. Today I'm going to use the Duke Girl Mega Thick conditioner, but most of the time I use the Shea Moisture one. So I leave the deep conditioner in for about an hour or two, and then I pretty much just do what I need to do for the day. So I'll go ahead and just put it in a bun or a ponytail, braid, whatever, just so I don't have wet hair on the back of my neck. And then I'll go ahead and rinse it out. So this is my hair after I rinse it all out. There's nothing in it, and I then go in with my two products. I use the Main Choice leave-in and then the Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls. So this is my hair with all the products in. From here, all I do is just let it air dry, and then I'm done.